Do you know how to create these beautiful progress circle charts in Microsoft Excel? If not, let's learn it. Insert donut chart for satisfaction indicator. Remove elements. Change slices color. Add another series. Type 1 20 times. Make solid color of outer series. Decrease hole size to 60%. Make inner chart as secondary. Remove color of blue slice. Set transparency of gray slice. Reposition and resize the chart. Show progress in middle. Add a text box. Link it with the progress. Format it. Apply a shadow on chart area. That's nice. Let's create second chart. Add donut chart again. Remove elements. Make orange slice gray. Format blue slice. Set the border. Set the border size and change its color. Reposition and resize it. Show progress in center. Add text box. Link it with the progress. Format it. Format the chart area. Apply a shadow. Great, it's all done. Always present progress in style. Please like and follow.